In this video, you will explore how to use the Select Radio Button keyword in Avo Assure to select a captured radio button within an SAP application when automating it. To begin, add a step on the Design Test Steps screen. Select RB9_radio BTN as the element name, and select Radio Button as the keyword to select one of the radio buttons captured from the SAP application that is specified in the element name in this test step to be automated. Once done, save the designed test step. Now, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the designed test steps, and you will see that the selection of the one-way radio button in the SAP page is automated.